Hello everybody, it's me, Code Chocolate Looters, signing in for another episode of the C Sharp Unity Pathway series. I forgot the title of my own playlist. Anyway, here we have now the second chapter for our Unity Essentials Pathway tutorial. So, when you open the project again, what you have to do is go here to Editor Essentials, click, and you can see that we already did this exported editors interface. Now we go into the exercise number 2, which is master 3D navigation. So we're going to click here. I'm going to click play over here. We should read this. So navigating through this space in scene view is an absolute critical skill for work in Unity. Trying to create something in Unity without first mastering this skill would be like trying to learn how to draw without first learning how to hold a pencil. If you've never worked with other 3D creator tools before or played many 3D games, working in 3D environment can be pretty challenging at first. But don't worry, you'll get some practice here to set you up for success. In this tutorial, you'll get comfortable moving around in the scene view through a short series of fun challenges in a playground scene. I love playgrounds. Instructions. In the project window, open Unity Essentials scene. Project window, Essentials, and we look for the scene. Perfect. Double click in Playground Navigation scene. Playground Navigation scene. Here. All right. So we are here, this name. Okay, so we go next. Remember, the hierarchy window represents the structure of the current scene in a tree-like format. It shows you every game object in your scene. When you double-click a game object in the hierarchy window, you can quickly zoom in on it and frame it nicely in the scene view. Instructions. In the hierarchy window, locate the playground area game object. Playground areas. Okay. Expand the playground area game object using the fold-out triangle. Okay. Double-click all 4 of the child game objects to quickly frame them in the scene view. Wait a minute. Okay. Okay. After framing each individual object, double-click the parent playground areas game object. This will neatly frame all 4 of the child game objects in view. Okay, after framing each individual object, double-click in the parent playground. Maybe if I enlarge it. Right. Right. Maybe. Wait a minute. Okay. Okay. In the previous tutorial, you used the arrow keys to move around the scene view and use the right mouse button to look around. Now you will learn how to use fly-through mode, which lets you move and rotate your view at the same time. Rather than using the arrow keys, you will use the WAS and D keys on the keyboard. You'll notice that the WASD keys are in a similar layout to the 4 arrow keys with the following mappings: forward, back, left, and right. This type of navigation might be familiar to you if you've played desktop video games before. Yep, typical. In the scene view, press the right mouse button and move the mouse to look around. While still holding down the right mouse button, press the W key on your keyboard to move forward. There's a tip here. If this is your first time using fly-through mode, just tap the WASD keys to move a little at a time. As you get more confident, you'll be able to hold the keys for longer periods. Sure. Using the combination of the right mouse button and the WASD and D keys, fly around the different areas. So we can do like a combination of these, so pretty straightforward. Whoa, 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 whoa! It gains momentum. Holy crap! Okay, oh shit, that's cool. You're going to get a lot more practice with fly-through mode throughout the rest of this tutorial. Okay, open the keyboard shortcut reference sheet. The Unity editor has a lot of keyboard shortcuts. While you're learning to use them, we have provided a helpful cheat sheet that you can reference. In the project window, navigate to the Unity Essentials folder. Okay. Let me enlarge this a little bit so it looks better. So Unity Essentials. Okay. Select the shortcuts cheat sheet. Oh, cool. Okay, nice. Oh, cool. All right, Unity shortcut references. That's fine. There's let me go back to Unity. That's not you. This. You'll see some shortcuts you're not familiar with yet, but we'll get to those very soon. Continue to the next step to begin the playground scavenger hunt with these shortcuts. Okay. So we have scene view, navigation view, hold frame, press F in the scene view. Okay, yeah, we did that. Orbit, hold Alt and left mouse button, drag, zoom, fly through mode. Scene view tools, shortcuts, view Q, W. Okay. See, we have this cheat sheet over here, guys. That's cool. Next. Enter play mode and enter an incorrect code. Now that you have a basic understanding of how to navigate in the scene view, you're ready to start the scene view scavenger hunt. The purpose of this scavenger hunt is to find 4 hidden numbers that combine to form a 4-digit secret code. If you enter the correct code in play mode, you will be rewarded with some fireworks. Important, don't try to find the hidden numbers yet. You'll be given clues on how to find them in the coming steps. For now, you will just see what happens when you enter an incorrect code. Press play to enter play mode and locate the text entry box in the center of the game. Let's enter play mode. Play. Press play mode. I know. Okay, enter 4-digit code. It could be. Enter 4-digit number in the input box to see what happens. The next step, you'll start looking for the numbers that make up the correct code. Okay. In this step, you'll practice using fly-through mode to zoom in and find a hidden number on the back of the swing set. In the video demo above, the number appears as a red square, but it will be a real number in your scene. Okay. Locate the hidden number on the back of the top bar of the swing set. The swing set. Back of the top bar. 2. Okay. That's right. Let's write it. Let's write it down. I have some notepads over here. Then where's a pen when you need it? Pen. shit. Okay, I'll remember. I can create a notepad file on my other computer. All right. 2. Okay. From Freeman assumed to find the second number inside the grill. Inside the grill. Okay, so the move tool, the scene view. Okay, now let's go to the grill. Let's go to the grill. Inside the grill. What do you mean inside the grill? Tool just after the view tool. The move tool allows you to select objects directly in the scene view. Oh, wait a minute. I'm inside the grill. Oh, 0. Cool. 0. Cool. Okay, orbit around the play structure to find the third number. If you're still inside the grill, zoom out and then rotate your view. With the move tool still selected, you click directly on the play structure in the scene view to select it. Then press F to frame it. You will find the hidden number on the bottom of the play structure. On the bottom of the play structure. Another 0. Okay, to be able to see the scene view, gizmos more clear. Okay, use the scene view gizmos to reveal the final hidden number. In the scene view, click directly on the fire pit. Okay, let's see here. Let's get out of here first. The fire pit here. Frame used to the cone. Wait a minute. I think I see the number there. Right click the gizmo again, disable perspective. Wait a minute. Let me see. So, okay, we are in isometric view, I believe. Right-click the gizmo again. Okay, depending on your orientation, the label beneath the gizmos will say front or back. Fourth digit. Continue rotating. Wait a minute. I think I see the. No, that's not the hidden number. It's not the hidden number. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. I think I know what to do here. I mean, I see, is that a 1 or what? Okay, isometric view. Excuse me. A 4? Okay, let's see. Press play, 2004. Yes! Oh, I feel so cool. Like if you enter the correct code, you should be treated to fireworks display at the center of the scene, and you now know the year Unity was created, 2004. That's right. That's right. Exit play mode now by clicking on the stop button. Okay. And review and proceed to the next tutorial. And congratulations on successfully navigating the scene view and completing the scavenger hunt. Here are some of the things you'll learn how to do along the way. Frame a game object in the scene view using the F shortcut. Maneuver through 3D space using fly-through mode. Zoom in and out in the scene view with the scrolling wheel. Orbit around frame objects in the scene view with the mouse and keyboard. Switch between perspective mode and isometric mode to change your view of a scene. Done. Proceed to the next tutorial, which we're gonna do it in the next video. Guys, this was fun. You can admit that this was fun. This was very creative from the Unity team to do these kind of tutorials of not using the play mode as much as you do, but actually finding things in the scene view instead of making you play a game. This is a very cool exercise, and I hope you guys like it and do it by yourself in your computer. Okay, so thank you very much, guys, for being with me. Click like, subscribe, and see you guys next time with more Unity, okay? Bye-bye.